So let's talk about Bitcoin. Bitcoin is right now sitting at 105,200. And there are no surprises whatsoever. I mean, this was as it was as easy to figure out and see as possible. Bitcoin actually dropped towards 104,600. But like I said yesterday as well, and I mean, I have been discussing this thing with you guys for quite a while. Yesterday, I actually even offered a double top structure. This is the deliverance on it, and I told you that it will shoot it down towards $105,000, and of course my target is 102,500. I even showed it to you that every time we had a straight line with one bump, we didn't have a second structure, we had a straight line. Similarly, if we look at it, we had a straight line here, then up, straight line here, then up, straight up, and over here I told you that it ended up creating double top. There was no straight line. So it was extremely simple to see that it is turning bearish, and the double top structure was in place. Now the question is that where do we go from here? Well, the things are simple. If we are not able to capture $110,000, live above it for 2 days, which we have not done, and that is why we are sitting where we are today. We were not able to close 2 daily candles above the area of $110,000. We only closed one, the second dumped, and after that none of the candles bothered going above 110. Only the wicks are there, but the bodies didn't. All that stuff was indicative of the fact that we are dropping towards 105, and after that towards 102,500, which is our first initial target anyway. And of course we do have one last target at 97,300, but as I have mentioned previously, if we are not able to hold on to 102,500, then I have to pretty much assume that, okay, the bullishness, even though it is there at 97,300, which means the $120,000 target, it is still alive until we drop towards 97,300. The case scenario is alive, but the probability, it dramatically reduces. If Bitcoin goes towards 102,500, the probability of going towards 120, it's still 50%. But if we drop towards 97,300 from there, the probability reduces down to 10%. So the chances are still there of bullishness. There is still hope that it can still bounce from 97,300 and go to $120,000. But as I said, the probabilities, they become really, really bad, and the major probability at that time, it generally turns towards the area of downward journey. And it is going to get more and more bearish as it goes, because at 102,500, it will have one top, second top, bigger top structure than this. Or if you just fuck the top structure, you can call this a cup. This at the handle, this will be the cup. You can call it an inverted cup and handle structure, and that is bearish as well. But all that at 102,500, which is so far a bit an area we have not achieved. First, we will see what do we do with 105,000. If we lose the area of 105,000 and we lose it for more than 8 hours, I'll show it to you. So far we have not even closed one single 4-hour candle below it, but if you close 2 4-hour candles below with the bodies, not the wicks, below $105,000, be ready that it is dropping towards 102,500, and by then I'll come back and I'll let you know what to do next. At this stage, Bitcoin is following literally everything that I'm sharing with you every day. If you are not sucking dicks somewhere else with the other influencers and you're watching these videos, so you would know already. We knew this is coming and it did happen. And that's everything with Bitcoin that you need to know. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any questions, or I have touched on a topic and you expect me to explain a bit more, I'll try my best to explain that to you in the comments. Leave a comment, and I'm not going to tell you to like and subscribe, because if you're not interacting with the video, or if you're not subscribed, you're not going to see all the 10 videos that I make every day. You're going to miss out on it, and I think you are educated enough to understand what to subscribe and what not to, because if you want to miss out on it, then why not? It's for your own good, and you should know better what is good for you.